PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides expert ductwork installation for homes and businesses in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, improving airflow, comfort, overall efficiency with durable materials, precise measurements, and professional craftsmanship. We design and install new duct systems or replace failing ductwork, ensuring proper sizing, sealing, and insulation. Our team respects your home, keeps work areas clean, and finishes on schedule so your HVAC runs quietly and efficiently season after season. Contact us today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a ductwork installation service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What is ductwork installation? Ductwork installation involves designing and installing ducts that distribute heated and cooled air efficiently, supporting proper airflow, ventilation, comfort, and overall HVAC system performance in residential and commercial buildings properties. Can ductwork be replaced without replacing the HVAC unit? Yes, ductwork can be replaced without replacing the HVAC unit when equipment functions properly, improving airflow, efficiency, and comfort while extending system life and reducing future maintenance needs for homes. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our ductwork installation service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania ductwork installation service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.